Hi everybody, my name is Cheryl and today I'm going to be your yoga instructor today. I will be your guide for your Vinyasa class. In today's class, it will be a Vinyasa style yoga where we will link our breath with each movement. So whenever you're ready, grab your props, any props that you may need, grab your mats and meet me here on your mat. Welcome back everybody. Now let's go ahead and start. Start on a seated Sukhasana position, cross-legged seat. And if it's not available, you can go ahead and use your props. You can sit on a block and put it underneath you so you can go ahead and drop your knees to the side as we start to settle here in Sukhasana. Palms up, rest your arms right on your knees, right on your thighs, and close your eyes as we draw that shoulders down your back. Feeling those sits bones grounded to the earth as you start focusing on your breathing. Inhaling here through your nose and exhaling here through the nose. As you continue to focus on your breath, perhaps if you're familiar with that Ujjayi breath, start tapping into that soft Ujjayi breath. Slight constriction in the back of your throat and make that oceanic audible sounds as you exhale. As you inhale and exhale through your nose, filling up that belly all the way to the top, all the way to the chest and the throat, and emptying the belly as you exhale. Letting go of any distractions, letting go of anything that no longer serving you at the moment. And just breathe here. Start to quiet your mind. And just take yourself perhaps to the happy place where you can focusing on your breathing. If your mind continue to wander elsewhere, just bring yourself back here to the present moment, right on your mat. Just feeling all those kind of sensations flowing in and out of your body. As you lengthening your spine, perhaps feeling a slight elevation of your spine as you sit up a little bit taller. Grow a little bit taller. Visualize that you have that string right on top of your head, pulling you upwards. As we all take 3 cleansing breaths here as a group. As you inhale deeply through your nose, inhale, inhale, inhale. As you pause briefly at the top, and exhale out to the mouth, let it all go. Inhaling here through the nose, inhale, 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 and exhale out the mouth. One more time, just like that, on your own. From here, slowly flickering your eyes open. Welcome everybody as you bring your arms to the side, palms up. Inhale, bring the arms out and up as you gaze up, palms to touch at the top. As you exhale here, hands to heart center. Inhale, bring the arms out and up. Exhale here, hands to heart center. Inhale, bring both arms out and up. As you exhale here for your twist to the right, right arm behind you, left arm on top of that right knee or right thigh. As you inhale, lengthening your spine. As you exhale here for your twist. Start a little bit soft here with that twist. No need to go deeper just yet as we introduce that spinal rotation. As you inhale here, gaze over to the left shoulder. Keep that twist as you feel the stretch on the right side of your neck. Then exhale here, release, coming back to center. Inhale, bring both arms out and up. As we exhale here for your twist to the opposite side. Left hand behind you, right arm here on top of the left knee, left thigh. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale here for your twist. As you inhale here, gaze over to the right shoulder. And exhale here for release. Coming back to center. Inhale, bring both arms out and up. As you exhale here for your forward fold, as you release your arms in front of you, as you hinge at the hips, perhaps release your forehead all the way down to the floor if that's available. Otherwise, staying here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, inhale, bring the arms up, back to center. As you exhale here, release your arms right underneath your knees, cupping your knees here. As we inhale here for our seated cat-cow poses, bring your chest forward as you lift the gaze, lift the chest. And exhale here for your cat. Extend your arms here, lean back slightly, hollowing the belly, tuck the chin to your chest. Inhale here for your cow pose. And exhale here for your cat. As you take few rounds of your cat-cows at your own pace, try to link that breath with each movement. Inhale here for your cow. And exhale here for your cat. Once you finish here the few rounds of your cat-cows, finding that neutral spine, I'll release that hands right in front of you here and start making your way to your all fours. Here, for your all fours here, I'm going to turn over to your mat here, whichever side here. For your all fours here, tabletop, shoulders directly over your wrist, knees hip distance apart, knees hip distance apart here. As you're inhaling here, tuck the toes under and bring your hips back, up and back for your first downward facing dog. Let's walking up that dog by bending one knee and then the other knee. Bringing your hips side to side if that feels good. Whatever feels good to your body this morning, take it. And from here, coming back here to your stillness in your down dog. As you inhale here, let's shift forward to your plank. Once you're in your plank here, shoulders directly over your wrist, feet hip distance apart. As you press those heels towards the back of your mat, the back of your room, think about pressing your mat away here. Now start bringing awareness to your core as you engage all the muscles. Inhale here, then exhale, press it back to your downward facing dog. Coming back to your downward facing dog here. Inhale here, gaze forward as you bend your knees, as you step or walk to the top of your mat. As you inhale here, halfway lift, flat back. Hands can come onto your shins as you find some length on your spine. And exhale here for your ragdoll. Bend your knees a lot if you're having tight hamstring as you grab opposite elbows. Sway side to side if that feels good. Nodding the head yes and no. And from here, release your hands down underneath that shoulders as you slowly roll up one vertebra at a time. Once you arrive at the top, roll the shoulders down the back. As you roll the shoulders down the back here, ground all four corners of your feet, either feet together or feet apart, hip distance. Once you have your big toes to touch, little separation between your heels. As we inhale, bring both arms out and up for your Tadasana, mountain pose. As you exhale here, hands to heart center. Inhale, bring both arms out and up, Tadasana, mountain pose. As you exhale here for your Uttanasana, forward fold. As you fold here, lead with your heart and hinge at the hips. Inhale here, halfway lift, flat back. As you exhaling here, plant your hands as you step it back to your high to low plank. To your Vinyasa, Chaturanga here. Drop your knees if you need to as you lower the chest and chin. Elbows to the side body as you scoop forward here for your cobra or baby cobra or downward or upward facing dog, quads engaged and lifted. Bring your chest forward, spread over the collarbone as you exhale here for your downward facing dog. As you inhale here, lift those heels up. Come up higher on the balls of your feet. As you exhale here, release. Inhale, lift those heels up. As you exhale here for your turbo dog, bend your knees, chest towards your thighs. As you press your chest towards your thighs here, releasing any tension in your neck. Keep lifting the tailbone and the hips up towards the ceiling. Keep the index finger and your thumb rooted to the earth. One more full breath here, everybody. And exhale here, release. Inhaling here, the right leg up. As you exhale here, let's open up the hips here by bending that right knee towards those glutes, squaring the chest and that shoulders. Inhale here. And exhale. Staying here, keeping that rotation of the ankle rotation. Start the ankle rotation, or you may flip that dog. Take the top leg down behind you. If this is available, take the top leg down behind you. As you open up the chest, extend the right arm up over, expanding the chest and the shoulders. As you lift the hips up a little bit more. One full breath here, and then flip the dog. As you exhale here, coming back here to our three-legged dog. Three-legged dog here. Square the hips, point the toes. Inhale. And exhale here, knee to nose. Round the upper back, keep engaging that core. Inhale, get long and lengthen. Exhale here, crunch knee to nose. Inhale, get long. As you exhale, step the right foot forward between your hands. You may want to help that leg to go forward between your hands as you sweep your arms up to our crescent lunge. Now we are on crescent lunge here. Right knee stacking over to the right ankle. Noticing the back of the thigh here will dip. Lift it up a little bit, keeping the back leg as engaged as the front leg. Draw the shoulders down the back. Inhale here. And exhale here, hover the chest towards to the right thigh. As you keep your arms forward here, reaching forward, biceps by the ears. Inhale, rising up. As you exhale here to our warrior two. Readjust that back leg here. Right knees tracking to the right toes here, to the second toes. Inhaling here. And exhale, cartwheel your hands down, framing the front foot here. As you step it back here to our three-legged dog. Inhale, one-legged plank here. As you exhale, taking your flow, your vinyasa here. Release the right leg down. Cobra or up dog here. And exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Inhaling here, the opposite leg. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale here, let's open up the hips on the other side. Staying here, if you want to challenge yourself, you can flip that dog. Just making sure you're mirroring the same variation as you did in the other side. Following that breath here, one full breath. And exhale here, coming back here to our three-legged dog. Inhale, square the hips, point the toes. And exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, knee to nose. Beautiful, everybody. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale here, step the left foot forward between your hands as you rise up to our crescent. Beautiful. Stay with me here. You are stronger than you think you are here. Exhale here, hover the chest to the left thigh. Inhale, rising up. As we exhale here to our warrior two to the left side. Left knee tracking to the second toe. Traditionally, it's heel to heel alignment or heel to arch alignment here. As you ground the outer edge of that back foot to the back of your mat. Beautiful. Exhale, cartwheel your hands out, framing the front foot, stepping back to your three-legged dog. Inhale, one-legged plank. Exhale, taking your vinyasa, your chaturanga, cobra or up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in here. Inhale here, gaze forward, bend your knees. As you step or walk to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Uttanasana. Inhale here, root to rise, arms out and up. Palms to touch at the top here. Slide back, bend, take it or not. As we exhale, hands to heart center. Beautiful. That's good. Everybody, so right now, if you want to go ahead and practice more with me, come back and practice more with me here, as I'll see you in my next class.